Hey y'all, let's do a face of makeup using only sheglam products. I'm gonna try to use only sheglam. I don't think I have lashes from them, so there might be a couple things that I have to use something different. But yeah, start off, we're gonna do some primer. We're gonna use the sheglam Good Grip Good Hydrating Primer. I've been using this one for months and I genuinely love it. My skin is naturally so dry and this really helps keep that foundation on for longer. That's what you want. The Skin Magnet High Coverage Foundation Stick in the shade Buttercream. This goes on so smooth. I'm just gonna draw random shapes in my head really to just kind of get it on there. Make sure to blend it on your neck. I'm kind of just gonna spread it around with a brush and then really go in with a blender to make sure there's no brush lines, because I don't know how people do it, don't get brush lines, but I do it every single time. I always do eyes first and brows first, so I'm switching it up on myself today. I'm not sure why, but for some reason I felt like doing it different. So I don't have a blender from them. I had one, but I haven't opened it, and I don't want to open it and use it just for this when I plan on letting my family go through the makeup to see what they want first. So I've only taken a couple things. They sent me like 40 items, and I have just a couple that I actually kept because a lot of them were the same item in different shades. So you'll probably see a couple of these and some more throughout the weeks. And I also already have a couple sheglam things from previously they sent me stuff, or I bought stuff on their website. Like the palettes, they didn't send me any palettes, anything for eyeshadow, other than a glitter. But I already have the Corpse Bride and the Care Bear palettes. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. So first I'm gonna use the Complexion Boost concealer in the shade Buttercream. Now this is the same shade as the foundation, so I'm really kind of just testing to see where we're at on that. And I'm gonna put it in the spots where my foundation will come off faster than others. And then I'm gonna go in with this, which is the lightest shade, the lighter shade they sent me. It is Linen, the Rapid Retouch Concealer. This I really wanted to keep to be able to prime my eyes, but I also really like the color of it just in general as a concealer for me to really lighten everything up. So I'm gonna just blend these two together and go with it. I also kept one of the other things that were linen and not just the little. And again, I'm gonna use a brush and then I'm gonna go back in with a blender. I don't know why, that's just always how I have been doing this, because I just can't get rid of the brush marks if I don't do it properly. But I also worry that a blender picks up too much of it and doesn't blend it. It just takes it all off. This is also a good test though, because it is currently 11 p.m. and I plan on staying up till at least 11 a.m. because I'm crazy and I messed up my sleep schedule really badly, and I woke up at 4 p.m. almost. Like I literally woke up when my grandmother was getting home from work. I was gonna try not to get into my hair, but like it's hair wash day anyway, so I'm really just gonna go for it. Usually I'm pretty precise and I don't wear foundation too often, but I'm usually good about not getting it in my hair, but just like where it needs to be. But you can definitely tell. Like, why does that look so rough when it's blended? That's so strange. That's just the hairs. I have like lighter hairs right here growing in and the darker hairs, and then like the foundation is really helpful. Okay. Now I'm going to use a contour. I'm not good at contour at all. Someone the other day on TikTok said, if you say you don't know how to do contour, you just haven't tried. And that kind of hit me because I was like, got me. So we're gonna try and do the basic things. This is the Soft Tan Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. I love their contour and blushes that are in these containers because I am obsessed with this little tool, this applicator. It's so much better. But we're gonna follow along where you put that and hope for the best. And then I'm gonna just do this just in case. I'm not gonna go for the nose yet. I haven't decided if we're gonna do that or not because I don't trust myself. I'm gonna take a blender And I'm kind of okay with messing it up because I'm going to be putting a blush on and then I'll be putting powder on. Shade wise, I feel like that was a good pick. I didn't go too dark, but it's enough where you can actually see it. I always worry about this area and this area a little bit, mainly this one, because I have my hairline like comes here and it has all these baby hairs slowly growing in because I usually literally just shave them the fuck off. So now that I'm like not shaving them, I worry that if I do that, it's gonna make my head look bigger. I'm gonna go for it. Very light amount though. Mainly because I don't trust myself to not fuck it up. Okay, I'm just gonna use this random angled brush. And I got sent this orange blush and I need to use it just because I like want to test out an orange blush. I want to see how it looks with my orange hair. This is the Color Bloom liquid blush in the shade Orange Peel. If I felt like painting my face like a pumpkin this year, I don't know when this video is going to be posted, but it's almost Halloween. Like I kind of wish I like did plan something. For Halloween, I'm literally going to my mom's and hanging out with my brother while my other brother goes trick-or-treating because my sister's going out with her friends and her boyfriend. And then my youngest brother loves Halloween. He goes trick-or-treating with his friends. But then my second youngest brother doesn't like Halloween. He's never liked Halloween. He has no interest in it. He sits at home and does whatever. Like, it's just another day to him. So he kind of just helps me pass out candy usually. I'm putting a little extra foundation on because I feel like I put a little too much blush on. I don't hate it, but I'm not sure that orange blush is for me with my skin being so yellow toned. But we'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna have to put another blush over top of it once I put powder on, but that's okay. Powder wise, I am not using a sheglam product. I use this Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. They sent me a powder, but I for the life of me cannot figure out how to open it, and that's literally the only reason why I'm not using it. Like my grandmother and I have sitting here like, how does this work? No idea. I should just, you know, look it up, but we'll see. Also, my grandfather's downstairs, even though it's 11 p.m. He's downstairs watching AI stories on TV. Right. I think the blush is okay at this point. I was gonna put a little bit of this on because look how cute this is. Literally, it's a little Care Bear. It is the Care Bear blush from sheglam. I'm gonna put a little on. Now, this is the color blush like I usually go for. I'm very pinky. But I'm just gonna do a little, just mainly because I like to put a powder blush over the liquid blush so that it stays in place. And then sometimes, depending on what blush you use, I'm using a translucent powder to set my face, but it kind of makes that all fade a little bit. This I literally bought on my own. They also sent me one. It is the Lunar Glow highlighter. It's literally a little UFO. Just go like this. And on your face. I'm gonna make sure I blend it though, because sometimes you can get a little bit too harsh of a line if you push down too hard. I've been recently doing like a little heart shape on the nose. You really can't tell that it's there. I put too much on because I like did it twice to show you. But I know I did it, so it's kind of fun. This is the Better Brows Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. I usually use a liquid eyeliner for my brows and powder. So we're just gonna go for it and see how a pencil goes. It's been quite a while. Now, I used to use gel, and the product I got from those brows, insane. I don't know why I acted like that was gonna be so hard. I'm probably gonna have to put a powder over top of it, just because it's not staying. I also noticed the other day in a photo how uneven my eyebrows are. These ones sit so much lower than these ones. And then like in this photo, I'm gonna put it on screen. First off, I look bad in general in every photo ever taken of me. But in that photo, oh my gosh, my eyebrows are literally not even fucking related. They are traveling from each other. Like, so bad. Alright, I had to film my eyeshadow off screen because I didn't know what to do, and I went very, very simple. So I'm gonna use the Corpse Bride palette. I've mixed together this shade and this shade on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go in with my powder to really blend that out. And then I'm gonna use the concealer. I'm going to use this white, put that in my crease. And going back in with this brush, blending it. Okay, I think I want a little eyeliner on, but they didn't give me a liquid liner. They gave me one, but my sister stole it. Okay, this is really bothering me, but we're gonna pretend that it looks good, and we're gonna go back in with this and put the darker shade under my eye. If you see something flying around, there's a ladybug. Now, I don't have a mascara from sheglam. That isn't, this one is the only one I have, but as gorgeous as the color is, it's a burgundy, it's not gonna work with lashes. So I'm gonna use the Eye Defy mascara from Half Caked. I'm not gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna do a very little bit on this part of my eye, just so that when I put lash on, it sits. This is my go-to e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. And close my eye. And that's literally all I'm gonna do. Make sure that it touches the full way down. This we're gonna go with, it's like a half lash. Grab the lash glue. I don't have a sheglam lash glue, but this is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I like to use the clear one because every time I do the black one, I can only use it whenever I do black eyeliner as well because it blends in, where the clear one goes away. So, just a little tip if you're a little messy. These lashes are so pretty. All of my lashes are just random packs on Amazon, so I literally couldn't even tell you which one these are from because I have about 10. I have so many lashes, unnecessary. So cute. Okay, let's do a lip. I have the sheglam Soft Haze Lip Blur in the shade Think Twice. Ooh. Alright, I don't have a sheglam setting spray. Let me do some fingers myself and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Here is my full face, almost, of sheglam makeup. Brows are definitely a work in progress in general, so they have nothing to do with the product. They have all to do with me and my zero brow skills. But yeah. I love this lipstick. I don't even feel like I have anything on, and it's really, really, really pretty. This eyeshadow palette I have been using for months, and it is my go-to when I want to do a gray look, or like I need a good white shimmer. The blues in it are really pretty as well. So if you are trying to ever do a Tim Burton makeup look, these are literally the perfect colors for it, so I definitely recommend. The orange blush was a little bit of a push, but it really doesn't look too orange now. Only issue I have right now is, which this happens with every single foundation I wear, my big nose just doesn't like keeping any product on this like triangle zone of it. It's really not too bad. My hair looks really bad. It is hair wash day, so we're pretending that it looks okay. There's also foundation all through it because I really went for it when I blended it. But like the foundation isn't bad for my dry skin. I'm trying to see if I can show you it better. You know, I want to be honest with y'all. I want y'all to see what it looks like. It's coming off my nose very clearly, which always happens. My forehead's not bad though. Usually I have a lot of it coming off here and there. Eyeshadow looks good. It's very pigmented. Very pretty for what the colors are. The lipstick's good. The blush. The contour you can't really see, but that would mainly be, again, another me thing, because I put way too much blush on for wearing contour. And even up here where I did contour, I put powder over it. So you can kind of see it on this side, but not on this side. I don't know how I did that. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Again, almost all these products are from sheglam, so thank you so much, sheglam. I love you. I just did an unboxing video a little bit ago on my page of a whole entire care package from sheglam. So if you're interested in seeing more of these products, go check that out. But yeah, bye.